Good morning, Flamingo fans. It's Vicky Fraser, and I want to welcome you to another Flamingo Friday. Yay, it's Friday. This week, I'm going to be sharing with you something a little bit different because I had a package in the post the other day from my friend and superhero, Julia Brown. By the way, Julia does all of my book cover illustrations, and she's the only one that I trust to do that. She does all of Dom's book cover illustrations. She's just fabulous. She also did a book cover for somebody else who is not one of my clients, but she told me about him because I'd mentioned that I've tried on and off to play the guitar for years. Anyway, I'll come back to that in a moment because the whole point of these Flamingo Fridays is that I want to show you how to stand out in the deluge of crap that we are all drowning in. There seems to be, among business owners, a tendency to want to do more and more and more all the time. You know, we want more clients, more customers, we've got to reach more people. And I say bollocks to that. No, we don't. Actually, you know, when we try and reach more and more people, what happens is that most of them just slide right by. They're not interested in what we're saying. We're not interested in having them as clients. And we've wasted all of this time, energy, and often money trying to attract people who are just not going to be interested in us. So, what I would like to do is encourage everyone to be, frankly, a little bit weird. You know, the weirder you are, the more you're going to attract similar kinds of weirdos into your life and into your business. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do today. Very briefly, I just want to show you an example. The gift that Julia sent to me was this. The Beginning Guitar Emergency Survival System by a guy called Eric Stone. Hi, Eric. He calls himself the Beginning Guitar Dream Maker, and the subtitle of the book is How to Eliminate Frustration and Failure, Stop Sabotaging Yourself, and Finally Achieve Your Dream of Playing Guitar. As you can see, it's a pretty cool book cover. Superheroes are always cool. On the back of it, there's a classic headline. Do you make these fatal beginning guitar playing mistakes? Classic headline, and there's a reason it's a classic, because it bloody works. And then he's talking about why he wrote this book. So, warning, according to a 2016 study by Fender, famous guitar maker, 90% of beginning guitar players fail and quit playing within a year. Playing guitar is supposed to be fun. Why do almost all aspiring guitar players stop playing so quickly? I can attest that I am one of those 90% because I've tried to learn the guitar several times and I've just kind of given up. So he's written his book slightly differently from how other guitar books are written. I've got Guitar for Dummies, I've got a couple of other how to play guitar books, I've had a look at online systems, and the only time I made any progress was when I actually had a guitar teacher. That's not an option. Well, it is an option for me at the moment, but I'm just not having lessons at the moment, so, you know, there's that. But what he's done is he's put together a survival system, and he's written it from the point of view of, well, basically from the point of view of people who stop playing guitar for whatever reason. So it's not like your traditional, this is where you start and this is where you go. He's written it specifically for people who keep failing but who want to play guitar. And he's got some really cool cartoons in there, which is great. And he starts with an introduction including dead-end guitar habits and goes on. What else does he go on to? He goes on to talk about myth-busting, beginning guitar myth-busting, beginning guitar operating system, the essentials, troubleshooting, the ultimate guitar practicing system for beginners, and then a whole bunch of other stuff in section 2. It's not your usual format for a book to help somebody do something like a self-help book, which is why I love it so much. I haven't opened it yet because I've been travelling a lot, but over Christmas I'm going to pick up my guitar again and start going. I'm really looking forward to it. So he's a guitar teacher, and this is something that he has done to help him stand out from all the other guitar teachers out there. It's so easy to write a book you would not believe. Trust me on this. I have written one for myself and plus 4 that are half finished. I've got another one coming out in January. I have ghostwritten 10 books for clients, and I've got another 5 on the way. I have coached so many people to write their books, and I've put more than 40 people through my book course, which is going to be launched again soon. Writing a book is such a cool way for you to help your business stand out. You can do it. If you want to know more about it, you can always drop me a line, vicky@vickyfraser.com. But in the meantime, it's something that I help my superheroes with. So if you'd like to join the superheroes, you can hit the link below. Or if you're not on my daily email list, just go to vickyfraser.com, hop on my list, and I will send you an email every day and you can get to know me a bit better. I also have a podcast, The Business for Superheroes Show, which you can find on iTunes. That's where me and my husband Joe drink gin and talk about business. And there are some loons out there who've listened to 4 hours straight of us, so I guess we can't be that bad. Otherwise, have a really splendid weekend. Enjoy flamingoing your business, and I will be back same time next week from sunny San Diego, California.